Good morning, guys. It's bright and early here on day 6, New Year's Eve on the Harmony of the Seas. Brian and the kids are sleeping and it is 6:27. Good morning.
Good morning. Going down?
I'm going up.
15.
All right, here we are on deck 15. Port side is smoking side of the ship. Starboard side is non-smoking.
It's our New Year's Eve family celebration and countdown. We're going to be doing it in the Aquadeer.
From the water park.
You got fruit, bacon, and a little splash from the water park?
Yeah.
You've gotten used to this cruising thing, huh, Katie? Here, let me hold your plate while you sit down. All right, here you go. Guys, it's New Year's Eve. Last night of 2021. Adios. Peace out, 2021. No virtual learning. That's a good one. Katie, what do you want 2022 to bring you?
A happy New Year and a COVID New Year.
That's the best wish I've ever heard. What do you want, Brian?
I can't wait to be back home. What's my location? I can't wait to see my friends.
And Dad's looking forward to 2022 for no more COVID, so that way we can do more cruises.
I'm looking forward to new adventures, lots of fun.
And lots of new puppies.
No more new puppies.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We just left dinner. We left dinner to come down to the Aqua show that there was supposed to be an extra show, a little bit different from what else they've been doing every night. A little bit of kick off the New Year's kind of thing.
Hopefully nothing else gets canceled tonight. And Happy New Year.
And even if it does, I gotta tell you, even if everything else got canceled tonight, we're good. We're happy. Look, we got our 3 kids. I don't know who do we got here. We got Bri, Kev, you over there?
Yep.
Katie, you back there?
No.
Yeah, we're good. We're happy. We're healthy, and we're wishing you all the very best in 2022. So, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.